everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. Let's start and grow together. Give 20% salary hike to employees who has completed 5 years of service in the organization. Here the employee table is given which has ID, name, department, date of joining and salary columns. Now, by calculating difference between the date of joining and the current date, we can get the years of service. Then we will check for the condition where the years of service is greater than equal to 5, then give 20% hike in the salary, and if it is less than 5, then no hike. So let's see in the practical. This is our employee table. Now, to get the years of service, we need to calculate the difference between date of joining and the current date. To get that, we are using timestamp difference function. Timestamp difference function is used to calculate the difference between the two timestamp. Here we want to get difference in year, therefore the year is mentioned, and the first timestamp is date of joining and the second timestamp is a current date. Let's execute this statement to get years of service. Here we got years of service. For ID 1, years of service is 4. For ID 2, it is 2. And for ID 3, it is 8 years. So now we want to check for the condition where this years of service is greater than equal to 5. We will put above query inside the CTE and we will call CTE. Here in the output table, we want name, years of service and salary with salary hike column. We will use case statement to check for the condition. So case when years of service greater than equal to 5, then salary multiplied by 0.02 as we want to get 20% salary hike. So when years of service is less than equal to 5, then 0. End as salary hike. This will create new salary hike column. So let's execute this statement. So in this way we got new column salary hike where 20% salary hike is mentioned for the employee who has years of service greater than 5. For the employee C, years of service is 8, salary is 70,000 and therefore he got increment of 20% which is 1400. Similarly, for the employee F, years of service is greater than 5 which is 6 and whose salary is 30,000, therefore he got 600 salary hike. So in this way we can use the timestamp difference function to get the date differences, and we can use the case statement to check for the multiple condition to get the required output. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.